Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to continue our way through Pharr's Homeric Greek, a book for beginners, concluding the review lesson 12 with a review of the verbs offered so far. So, what you have to have a strong sense of is the fact that these endings we've seen so far, 3 sets of personal endings, o, ace, a, omen, ete, use, on, as, omen, ete, on, as, amen, ate, an. So of these 3 sets, you have to realize that they are spread over 5 different tense systems: the present, the future, the imperfect, the first aorist, and the second aorist. So you have to ask yourself, can you say, are you sure, which set of personal endings terminate which of these tenses? And then how do the tense stems for each tense themselves differ? So as we saw, the first set of tense endings is employed in the present and the future tense. The second set of tense endings is employed in the imperfect and the second aorist. And the third set of personal endings, dominated by the alpha, is the mark of the first aorist. Now, for the remainder of this lesson, I will present the principal parts of each of the verbs learned so far. But I want to begin with this admonition of Pharr. At the end of chapter 10, he says, henceforth, the first 3 forms of all complete verbs, as found in the vocabulary, will be the first person singular of the present, the future, and the aorist active indicative. And then come these very important 5 words. These should be mastered absolutely. These should be mastered absolutely. Okay? There's no fudging around with the principal parts of Greek verbs. It's like getting in the ring with Mike Tyson or something. It's not to be taken lightly, because you'll just get your tail handed to you if you don't take this very seriously. So these need to be mastered absolutely. So I am going to say them in a way where you can repeat after me. I encourage you to make your own recording of these verbs to suit yourself, and to do numerous repetition drills of them until you can see them in your sleep. Okay, so let's begin. Lead. Ago, oxo, egagon. Ago, oxo, egagon. Sing. Aedo, aesomai, eesa. Aedo, aesomai, eesa. To go up, ascend. Anabino, anabesomai, anabain. Anabino, anabesomai, anabain. To rule over. Anaso, anaxo, enaxa. Anaso, anaxo, enaxa. To please. Handano, hadeso, headon. handano, hadeso, he adon. To loose, set free. Apoluo, apaluso, apelusa. Apoluo, apaluso, apelusa. To dishonor. Atimazdo, atimaso, etimasa. Atimazdo, atimaso, etimasa. To advance, go. Bino, besamai, eben. Bino, besamai, eben. To speak, say, or tell. Ero, ereo, epon. Ero, ereo, epon. Esten, esten, esten. Asen, asen, asen. Ain, ain, ain. Ason, ason, ason. To have or hold. Echo, exo, eskon. Exo, echo, exo, eskon. Echo, exo, eskon. To burn, consume. Kaio, kaoso, ekea. Kaio, kaoso, ekea. To burn down. Katakaio, katakaoso, katekea. Katakaio, katakaoso, katekea. To hear. Kluo, ekluon. Kluo, ekluon. Klutemiu, klutemiu. To loose, set free, break up, destroy. Luo, luso, elusa. Luo, luso, elusa. Spoke among, addressed. Mete epon, mete epon, mete epon. To kill, destroy. Olume, oleso, oleso. Olume, oleso, olesa. to put to place. Teme, de so, dega. Teme, de so, dega. To persuade, win over. Peto, peso, pesa. Peto, peso, pesa. To send, escort, conduct. Pimbo, pimso, pimsa. Pimbo, pimso, pimsa. To hurl, send, dispatch. Proiapto, proiapso, proiapsa. Proiapto, proiapso, proiapsa. Proseepon, proseepon, proseepon. Accomplish, fulfill. Teleo, teleso, telesa. Teleo, teleso, telesa. To do, make, cause. Tiuko, tiukso, tiuksa. Teuko, teukso, teuksa. To bear, carry. Pero, oiso, enega. Pero, oiso, enega. To love, cherish, entertain hospitably. Pileo, pileso, pilesa. Pileo, pileso, pilesa. To anger, enrage, vex. Koloo, koloso, kolosa. Koloo, koloso, kolosa. Okay, those are our first set of verbs. Practice them again and again, writing them out and reciting them. Best luck with your studies. Keep working hard, and I will see you very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.